Hello student, in the first chapter of the geography, location and the size of India, we will discuss about the longitude and the latitude extent of the India, and we will also discuss India's relations with the other countries and how the standard meridian means the standard time of India is decided. India is one of the oldest civilization and have remarkable history means from the ancient time India is very famous in all over the world, and after got the independence India also achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades meaning near about 50 years, and now India is progressing in all fields like agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development that again re-establish the significance of the India in all over the world. Now the location of the India. India is a vast country which lies entirely in the northern hemisphere, means the equator divided all the earth in the two equal parts, which part lies in the north of the equator that is known as the northern hemisphere, and which part lies in the south of the equator that is known as the southern hemisphere. And India lies in the northern hemispheres, and the prime meridian divides the earth into the west and the east directions, which part lies in the west side that is known as the western part, and which lies in the east of the prime meridian that is known as the eastern part, and India lies in the northeastern hemisphere. And the mainland extent between the latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. North is written because India lies in the northern hemisphere, and the longitude extent is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. East is written because India lies in the east part of the according to the prime meridian, and the Tropic of Cancer that lies at a 23 degree 30 minute north divides the whole country into the almost equal parts, and which part lies in the north of the Tropic of Cancer that is known as the northern part of India, and which part lies in the south of the Tropic of Cancer that is known as the southern part of the India. Island groups towards the southeast directions. There is an island group that is known as Andaman and Nicobar Island that is lies in the Bay of Bengal, and in the southwest side the island group is a Lakshadweep Island that lies in the Arabian Sea. And the southernmost point of the India was known as Indra Point that got submerged, means that now died under the sea water in the 2004 during the tsunami waves. Now the southernmost point of the India is Kanyakumari. According to the size, the total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, which accounts for about 2.5% of the total geographical area of the world. And according to that, India has the 7th largest position all over the world, and India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and a coastal line boundary including the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Island is 7,516.6 kilometers. And the Tropic of Cancer across the country from the 7 states of the India that are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. And the northwest side and the northeast, there is a young fold mountain that was known as the Himalaya, and that is a stretch part. And when you moved from the 20 degree north latitude from the south part of the India, that is very narrow and extend towards the Indian Oceans. And that part divided the Indian Oceans into the two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. And latitude and longitude extent of the mainland is about 30 degree, means if we are seeing the latitude extent that is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, they are near about 30. And the longitude extent if we are seeing that are from the 68 degree 7 minute east to the 97 degree 25 minute that are near about 30. And So that's why we are saying latitude and the longitude extent of the India is a 30 degree. And India's eastward extent appear to be smaller than the north-south extent. So now longitude shows the time, means 1 degree longitude equal to the 4 minutes. If we are moving from the Gujarat to the Arunachal Pradesh, there about we are moving 30 degree longitude extent, then there have to be the gap of the time in the 2 hours. But all over the India, watches show the same times because India has a standard meridian, and that was known as the 82 degree 30 degree east passing through the Mirzapur in the Uttar Pradesh, and that was taken as a standard time for the whole country because the longitude and the latitude extent that are 30 degree, they are equally divided on the 82 degree 30 minute east. So this time was known as a standard meridian of the India. And the latitude extent influence the duration of the day and night, means if we are moving to the north and the south side from the equators, the days are getting shorter and the nights are becoming the longer as one moves from the south to the north. And in the next video we will discuss about India's contact with the other countries and the trade relations with the other countries.